Hello YouTube, my name is Scott Perdue. I'm an Amazon author of over 100 books, tons of Christian books, self-help books out there for you. Next time you get on Amazon, go to the search bar, type in my name, Scott Perdue. Pull up all those wonderful options. There's a ton of them. You'll have to scroll through, find some that are suitable for you, add them to your cart, get them in transit to you right away. There's life-changing wisdom there for you. You definitely want that in your life. Anyway, today I'm going to go over a book I'd recently published called Rising from the Ashes, How to Rebuild When Life Falls Apart. Today's lesson is about rebuilding your life one step at a time. When life collapses under the weight of loss, failure, or trauma, it's easy to feel as though everything is shattered beyond repair. The idea of moving forward can seem like an impossible task, yet it's in these moments of despair that the seeds of transformation are sown. Rebuilding your life is not an overnight process. It's a journey made possible by small, deliberate steps that accumulate over time. It's about crafting a comeback story fueled by resilience, courage, and hope. The importance of rebuilding gradually. After experiencing adversity, there is often a sense of urgency to fix everything immediately. However, this pressure can lead to burnout, frustration, and even deeper feelings of inadequacy. Rebuilding your life one step at a time allows you to focus on manageable goals, celebrate small victories, and create a sustainable foundation for long-term change. Why small steps matter? Each small step you take represents a building block for life you're working toward. While the big picture might feel daunting, focusing on small actions helps you reclaim a sense of control. These incremental achievements provide momentum, remind you of your capability, and shift your perspective from despair to possibility. Practical strategies for rebuilding after loss, failure, and trauma. Rebuilding involves a mix of emotional healing, practical action, and the cultivation of a hopeful mindset. Here are actionable strategies to help you rebuild your life effectively. Number 1, accept where you are. The first step is acceptance. Acknowledge the pain, loss, and failure you've experienced. Denying or suppressing these emotions only prolongs the healing process. Acceptance is not about giving up or about creating a starting point from which you can move forward. Number 2, set clear, realistic goals. Define what rebuilding means to you. Do you want to regain financial stability, rebuild relationships, or rediscover your purpose? Set specific, realistic goals that align with your priorities. For instance, if your goal is to improve your mental health, you might start with scheduling therapy sessions or incorporating mindfulness practices into your daily routines. Number 3, break down larger goals into smaller tasks. Once you've identified your goals, break them down into smaller, actionable steps. For example, if your goal is to find a new job, your smaller steps might include updating your resume, researching job openings, and opening and networking with former colleagues. This approach makes big goals feel less overwhelming and more achievable. Build a support system. Number 4, build a support system. Rebuilding is not something you have to do alone. Surround yourself with people who uplift, support, and encourage you. Whether it's close friends, family members, or professional counselors, having a support system can provide perspective, motivation, and a sense of belonging. Number 5, prioritize self-care. Taking care of yourself is crucial during the rebuilding process. This includes nourishing your body with healthy food, getting adequate sleep, and engaging in activities that bring you joy. Physical and emotional self-care strengthens your resilience and equips you to handle challenges more effectively. Number 6, focus on gratitude. Even in the midst of adversity, there are things to be grateful for. Practicing gratitude shifts your attention from what you've lost to what you still have, fostering a more positive outlook. Keep a gratitude journey to document the small blessings in your life, whether it's a kind gesture from a friend or a moment of peace in your day. The role of small wins in building momentum. Why celebrate small wins? Small wins are the building blocks of your comeback story. Each victory, no matter how minor it seems, serves as evidence for your progress or capability. These wins help you to rebuild your confidence and remind you that change is possible. How to recognize and celebrate progress. Number 1, track your achievements. Keep a journal or list of your accomplishments, no matter how small. This might include completing a workout, attending a therapy session, or reconnecting with a friend. Number 2, reward yourself. Celebrate milestones with rewards that bring you joy. such as treating yourself to a favorite meal, taking a day off to relax, or indulging in a hobby. Number 3, reflect on your growth. Periodically, take time to reflect on how far you've come. Recognizing your growth helps to reinforce your belief in your ability to rebuild. Finding courage to continue. Facing setbacks with resilience. The path to rebuilding is rarely linear. You will face setbacks, doubts, and moments of frustration. The key is to reframe these challenges as opportunities to learn and grow. When setbacks occur, ask yourself, what did this experience teach me? How can I approach the situation differently moving forward? Each obstacle you overcome builds your resilience and strengthens your resolve to keep going. Cultivating a growth mindset. A growth mindset is the belief that your abilities and circumstances can improve through effort and perseverance. Embrace challenges as opportunities to expand your skills and discover your potential. Replace self-defeating thoughts with empowering affirmations such as, I am capable of rebuilding my life, and every step I take brings me closer to my goals. Finding strength in the midst of pain. Transforming pain into purpose. Pain can be a powerful motivator for change. Instead of viewing your pain as an obstacle, see it as a catalyst for growth and transformation. Use your experiences to deepen your empathy, refine your priorities, and create a life that aligns with your values. Leaning on inner strength. Strength doesn't mean suppressing your emotions or pretending everything is fine. It means acknowledging your pain while continuing to move forward. Practice self-compassion by treating yourself with the same kindness and understanding you would offer a friend in need. How to rewrite your life after setbacks. Redefine success. Your definition of success may have changed after experiencing loss or failure. Take time to reassess your values and goals. What truly matters to you? How can you create a life that reflects your priorities and passions? Embrace new beginnings. Every setback is an opportunity for a fresh start. Instead of clinging to the past, focus on the possibilities that lie ahead. Let go of old patterns that no longer serve you and embrace change as a chance to grow and evolve. Create a vision for the future. Visualize the life you want to build. What does it look like? How does it feel? Use this vision as a source of motivation and guide for your actions. Break your vision into accountable steps and focus on making consistent progress. Your comeback story. Your comeback story is not about erasing the pain of the past, but about rising above it. It's about discovering the strength, resilience, and courage within you to create a new chapter filled with purpose and hope. As you rebuild your life one step at a time, remember that every small action you take is a victory. Celebrate your progress, lean on your support system, and stay committed to your vision of the future. With time, patience, and determination, you can rise from the ashes and create a life that reflects your growth and potential. All right, well, that concludes today's video. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel. All kinds of great wisdom out there for you on Amazon. Listen, my name is Scott Perdue. I'm an Amazon author, over 100 books, tons of books, Christian books, self-help books out there. Next time you're on there, type in my name on the search bar, Scott Perdue. Browse through all those options, add some to cart, get those in transit right away. There's wonderful wisdom there for you. You definitely want that stuff in your life. Anyway, thank you so much for following me through today's video. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.